Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access notifications. Now select App Settings and click on Most Recent at the top left corner. Then choose the best option for you, in my case, Most Frequent. Lastly, just click on the blue sweater next to one of your apps to block notifications. You can turn them back on by hitting the same now gray sweater. If you wish to, you can also click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!